I don't know eh. 有什么 Oh, then it's like reflect. No, this one is not. That one is actually shone. This one is reflected. That one is. Yeah.
Actually, we go through the rods, but try not to like swing it.
Yeah, no, we won't take the chance.
How does the light come?
It's like they have the basic stuff here, then they have some that reflects like this one and this one. Then they have some others that show, which is like that one.
So the main light is from
The main one is this one, that's why it's much brighter. So the rest is like the relief ring, the one at the side. Okay lah, it's like on and on.